Okay, we're going to shoot a short video here on the carbon dioxide sensor for the Ventra XT. I'm going to remove the cover, and you'll see in underneath the cover there is wiring schematics, and the terminals are listed 1 through 8. Obviously we only have 1, 2, and 3 available. So I have a red wire on number 1. That will be a 24 volt that'll go to the Ventra XT. I have on number 2 a black wire, which is the ground wire that will go to the ground lug on the Ventra XT. Then I also have the white wire, which is the signal wire, and the white wire will go to the analog input channel on the Ventra XT. Then also you'll see a set of dip switches, and those dip switches may come in any configuration. I'm not exactly sure where they'll come set, but we want dip switch 1 and dip switch 2 in the on position, and all the remaining dip switches in the off position.